In this video, we'll learn how to use FocusState in SwiftUI. It's a powerful way to control focus on text fields. For example, to highlight a field when the user starts typing. Let me show you how to do it. We're starting with a basic text field. That has some padding and a rounded background. It looks simple and clean, and when the user taps it, the keyboard comes up. But there's no visual feedback that tells the user the field is currently active. So now, let's add something that shows when it's focused. Let's add a border using overlay and rounded rectangle. Right now, it's just a line. We'll make it react to the user's focus in the next step. And here's the goal. When the user taps the field, we want the border to light up automatically. To know when the field is active, we'll use FocusState. This lets us track whether the field is focused, meaning if the user is typing in it right now. Now we connect our FocusState to the text field using focused. This way, SwiftUI will update the typing variable automatically when the user taps or leaves the field. And finally, we add a color to our border, but only if the field is focused. If the user is typing, we use color primary. Otherwise, the border is invisible using clear.